I think we should walk back now. We go up the hill. Come on. We came all through the undergrowth. There's the sun in our eyes. That's the scene. We've been down the hill. Oh, wow. Come on then. Up the hill. Here we go, go on. I am quite tired. It's hard work walking through those long grass. Okay, here we are. We're up back in our own territory. Come on, you two. Come on. Boo, come on. What are you doing? Boo, come on. There's only my shadow. Boo boo. Come on. Come on. Oh, into the Oakville forest where there are dragons. Oh, it's really scary in here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Right. It's getting a bit scary now. So I think I better shut this up and concentrate on staying safe, just in case. Oh, that's it, I'm worn out. Bye bye folks.